So on the passenger side, you need an 8mm. Get this brake sensor out. Once you get the bolt free, just use like a flathead screwdriver, pry bar. Get that sensor out the way. Next, you hammer out these two retainer clips. You gotta hit it through, pull it from the other side, and I'll show you in just a second. So use a hammer, a pick tool, get that through. You'll have to repaint your brakes, that's the only thing. And you should get this end over here, so that's the bottom one. Still gotta get the top one. Use some pliers. You should be able to pull it out. Yeah, may take a lot of wiggling, but you'll eventually get it out. Little trick, once you get the whichever one is looser out first, use this guy here to help get out the one that's a little bit more stubborn. So you can see, it's gonna fight you the whole way through, low key. Now it's out. Get some pliers. After you loosen it all the way up, you can either use a flathead or use one of those specialty tools. I think I showed you guys all the tools I had at the beginning. So look, I got the original pads that probably came with this car. My car got 65,000 miles on them. Looks like some uneven wear. Let's see. A little, but still, it's time to replace them. Old pad, new pad. These are Stop Tech pads. Centric is the name of the company now. Supposedly these are gonna be more quiet, and supposedly less dust. That's why I really bought them. Use the older, thinner pad to get the pistons back in. Once you get one of the new pads in. So now we got them both back in. Now to reverse everything we just did. So it's all hammered back in. It's way easier to hammer it in than it is to hammer it out. Of course, install your sensor. Now if your pads are all the way worn, then you have to get a new sensor. Mine weren't all the way worn, so I can just reuse this one. So it's back in there. Gotta put the 8mm screw back in there. And now we're all done. Man, I need to paint my brakes anyway, but, or I should say repaint them. Okay, but yeah, so we're done on the passenger side. Driver's side should be even quicker since there's no sensor. Not that the sensor really took any time. I'll try to provide the links for the pads I bought. They're like $45 for the front. Supposedly they're better than OWN, which is Brembo. Like I said, mine are Stop Tech. So, all right, that's it, y'all. Take care. Old and new. Go ahead, line it up. So as you can see, it's real simple to put them back in. Of course, stainless steel brake lines are still doing good. No leaks there, so everything is cool. It's been about 2 weeks. I took some extra fluid out of there. Now I'm gonna pump the brakes and we'll be done for the front.